Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. These are not good. They're really nice because you can make this longer or shorter. You don't have to cut a pipe perfectly. The problem is they collect hair and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this. This is full of water right now. Just loosen this. All right. This is going to need to come off. This right here is a little extension tube that threads onto this piece, okay? And this was so corroded that the threaded part broke off, snapped off right inside the old piece. That's why we're going to have to completely replace it. So first we're going to put this in, then we'll put this in. Okay, so this piece goes in like this. And they've given me a little rubber gasket. But what I'm going to do before I put this in is I'm going to take a little bit of plumber's putty and I'm going to put it here, making sure I really get it over here. And then that will help just make sure that it's sealed. Now I'm going to screw this guy in there. Make sure this is in the back. From the bottom side. Just gonna hold that piece. Tighten this finger tight for now. Hit these threads with some Teflon tape. So you're going to have to check out my video to see how to adjust this, but I do have a video for that. Get it in. Make sure it's right. And it is engaging. It was the second one that it wanted. Finger tight. This piece on, just loose for now because I'm just mocking it up. Here's the slip tube, so this is going to go here. So I need to cut this guy. I know that this piece is enlarged a little bit because it's going to fit there, right? But I'm going to need to cut it down here. Okay, so I'm going to cut it right about there. Boom. I see from the part that's a little wider that I have plenty of room. This is up as far as it goes on this. I'm going to take it off of this because I mocked it up. Okay. Now I'm going to put it back on there. Okay. Tighten this by hand. Tighten this. And then I'm going to tighten this. This is really the one you need to worry about. This is the one that's going to leak. This is not going to leak because this joint is over where the water is going to sit. This is a trap, and water is going to be the lowest part of this pipe. So like there. Okay? So you got to worry about this leaking. This one and this one, you really don't have to worry about leaking. If these leak, that means you got a problem south down there because this guy's not draining for some strange reason. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of water in here, see what we're dealing with. Look for leaks. Any leaks, got to tighten stuff up. It's going to happen here, so this is where I'm looking. Nothing. Perfectly dry. I have never had the drain run this well before, ever. Hit this, holding water fine. I've never had water drain this fast before. Nice and clean. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to clean up that drain with that little expansion joint.